Hi guys, I'm Hemanth from Bennett University. I'm going to brief you about artificial intelligence.
AI, artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? AI is the study of how to make computers do things that people are better at or would be better at if they could extend what they do or to worldwide web sized amount of data and not make mistakes. It is a way of making a computer, robot or software think and act like a human. It is bounded by robotics, machine learning, natural language processing, perception, knowledge, cognitive system, neural networks, and planning. History. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956, but AI has become more popular today thanks to increased data volumes, advanced algorithms, and improvements in computing power and storage. Early AI research in the 1950s explored topics like problem solving and symbolic methods. In the 1960s, the US Department of Defense took interest in the type of work and began training computers to mimic basic human reasoning. This early work paved the way for the automation and formal reasoning that we see in computers today, including decision support systems and smart search systems that can be designed to complement and augment human abilities. Timeline. In the 1950s to 1970s, they focused on neural networks, whereas in 1980s to 2010, they focused on machine learning. In present day, they're focusing on deep learning. History of AI from 1943 to 2015. Have a look. Why is AI important? AI automates repetitive learning and discovery through data, but AI is different from hardware-driven robotic automation. Instead of automating manual tasks, AI performs frequent, high-volume, computerized tasks relatively and without fatigue. For the type of automation, human inquiry is still essential to set up the systems and ask the right questions. AI adds intelligence to existing products. In most cases, AI will not be sold as an individual application. Rather, products you already use with improved with AI capabilities, much like Siri was added as a feature to the new generation of Apple products. Automation conversational platforms, bots and smart machines can be combined with large amounts of data to improve many technologies at home and in the workplace, from the security intelligence to investment analytics. AI adapts through progressive learning algorithms to let the data do the programming. AI finds structure and regulatory in data so that algorithms acquire a skill. The algorithm becomes a classifier or a predictor. So, just as the algorithm can teach itself how to play chess, it can teach itself what product to recommend next online, and the models adapt when given new data. Back progression is an AI technique that allows the model to adjust to training and added data when the first answer is not quite right. AI achieves incredible accuracy through deep neural networks, which was previously impossible. For example, our interactions with Alexa, Google Search, and Google Photos are all based on deep learning, and they keep getting more accurate the more we use them. In the mechanical field, all AI techniques from deep learning, image classifications, and object recognition can now be used to find cancer on MRIs with the same accuracy as highly trained radiologists. AI gets the most out of data. When algorithms are self-learning, the data itself can become intellectual property. The answers are in the data. You just have to apply AI to get them out. Since the role of the data is now more important than ever before, it can create a competitive advantage. If you have the best data in the competitive industry, even if everyone is applying similar techniques, the best data will win. How AI is being used. It is used in healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and banking. How AI works. AI works by combining large amounts of data with fast, iterative processing and intelligence algorithms, allowing the software to learn automatically from patterns or features in the data. AI is a broad field of study that includes many theories, methods, and technologies, as well as following major subheadings like machine learning, a neural network, deep learning, cognitive computing, computer vision, and natural language processing. What are the challenges of using AI? The principal limitation of AI is that it learns from the data. There is no other way in which knowledge can be incorporated. This means any inquiries in the data will be reflected in the results, and any additional layers of prediction or analytics has to be added separately. Today's AI systems are trained to be clearly defined tasks. The system that play poker cannot play solid or chess. The system that detects fraud cannot be drive a car or give you legal advice. In fact, an AI system that detects healthcare fraud cannot accurately detect tax fraud or warranty claims fraud. In other words, these systems are very specified. They are focused on a single task and are far from behaving like humans. In summary, the goal of AI is to provide software that can reason on input and explain an output. AI will provide human-like interaction with software and offer decision support for specific tasks, but not a replacement for humans and won't be anytime soon. Thank you for watching this video.